Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Say I'm Rosie. Can you say Rosie? Can you say please?
Hello and welcome to Celebrity Home. I can't handle her cuteness. Ito ang post ni Jessie Mendiola sa social media kasabay ng video ng anak nila ni Luis Manzano na si Baby Peanut. Napapangiti si Peanut habang binibidyohan ng kanyang nanay. Marunong din itong i-identify ang parte ng kanyang katawan. Agad na nakuha ang atensyon ng netizen at talagang napakarami ang nagsabing napaka-cute nito. Isa si Isabella Rose o si Baby Peanut, sa mga celebrity kids na inaabangan sa social media ngayon.
Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Say I'm Rosie. Can you say Rosie? Can you say please? Can you say thank you? Thank you. Hi. Hi. Where's your pocket face? Oh, sus. Where's your tummy? Tummy, tummy, tummy. Where's your heart? Heart. Oh, where is your nose? Your foot. Where's your foot? Foot. Say hi. My name is Rosie. How much do you love Mama? How much? This much. Wow, you love Mama so much. Wheels on the bus go round. Wow, slow mo. Pam pam na. Pam pam. I see.